Hey Fetii, welcome to Kappa Kappa Gamma at Texas A&M. Let us show you around. This is the blue room. Study here a bunch, Bible studies here. The designers of this room really wanted to highlight Kappa's blue and blue. We have a bunch of blue china all around the room. This is our living room. Girls watch a ton of shows in here, especially Dancing with the Stars every single Tuesday night. This is our dining room. We serve 3 meals a day, 5 days a week here. On Monday nights, we have catered chapter dinner. This is our house mom, Mama C, and our house dog, Cappy. Cappy sits here while we all have meals, and she won't eat off of any of our plates. Sometimes Mama C even puts her food up here and she eats with us. This is our backyard. I think it's something that makes our chapter super unique. We do pumpkin carvings out here, and we have a giant blow-up movie screen so girls can watch movies outside. This is one of our 4-person rooms in the house. Girls can get ready together. We have all these lofted beds in here. Girls can hang out and chat. Thanks for stopping by, Fetii.
Go Kappa!